here we have our dash buttons. Appears to be everything you need for an 07 to 14 SUV or pickup truck on there. Open these up, we'll take a look. Now, I noticed on the instructions it does say to remove the old decal so that it will light up. So some of these won't light up, some will. It looks like this one will, so we'll give this a try. But we will have to remove all of the old decal first. These decals look to be of very good quality, and I will put a link to the ones I purchased in the description. We're going to try to remove the labels, the existing labels that you can see there. It's just these 4 buttons. I've read to try some alcohol. I've got an alcohol swab here. Let that saturate on there a little bit. See if anything starts rubbing away. Oh yeah, look at that. We're starting to get some black there. Just let that soak on there for a second and see if we can start peeling it off. So I've now gone through 3 or 4 of those alcohol pads. I have made some progress, but not a lot. So I'm going to go and I'm going to see if I have something else I can try on those buttons. Anyone who knows me knows that I am not a patient human being. I could sit and rub on here for another, I don't know, 5-10 minutes with the rubbing alcohol, or I went and got myself some brake parts cleaner. We're going to give this a try. Okay, so trying the brake parts cleaner, I put a little bit on a rag. Let's rub it on there. Oh yeah, making some progress. Well, the brake parts cleaner worked. I'm not sure I'd recommend it. Instead, I'd recommend to have a little more patience. It did come off. It seemed pretty aggressive. Ended up going back over it with some of the alcohol, but they appear to be all off. Now I will try to adhere the decals. Now I have the decals. It said on the instructions that you can touch up around the edges with black paint or a marker. I may have removed too much, but there's no going back on it now. So let's try. Put one of these guys on here. Okay, there's one. Seems to be on there okay. Okay, cooling went on okay. Now for the other side. And hopefully the last one here. Now, I think I screwed up and removed too much because you can see the outline around it. Trying to get it darker here, but I'm pretty sure that's going to light up. So I'm going to have to go over that with a little bit of paint. I'm going to try a Sharpie first. See what that looks like. Alright, so I went around it with my Sharpie, which did clean it up quite a bit. However, it's going to take a few coats and I may end up having to use some paint, but it does look a lot better. Definitely follow the instructions. I screwed up. just to remove from the centers, which these basically were. I could have just stuck these on as they were. So do that. Just clean up the centers. Make sure all of the really loose pieces are off. Go ahead and stick your stickers on, and that should clear you up. So that'll conclude this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Watch all the videos on the Suburban as we keep going here. Catch you later.